To whip up this nostalgic treat, start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need a package of instant pistachio pudding mix, a can of crushed pineapple, a handful of miniature marshmallows, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, and a dollop of thawed Cool Whip. In a large bowl, combine the dry pistachio pudding mix with the entire 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, juice and all. Stir these ingredients together until the pudding mix completely dissolves, creating a vibrant, aromatic base for your salad. Next, it's time to add some texture. Fold in the miniature marshmallows and chopped nuts into the pudding and pineapple mixture. This will give your salad a delightful crunch that contrasts beautifully with the creaminess of the pudding. Now for the secret ingredient that gives Watergate salad its iconic fluffy texture, the whipped topping. Gently fold this into the mixture until it's well combined and the salad takes on a uniform green color. Once everything is mixed together, it's time to let the flavors mingle. Cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least an hour. If you can resist the temptation, prepare the salad a day ahead for an even more flavorful dish. When you're ready to serve, give the salad a gentle stir. For an extra touch of flair, garnish with additional chopped nuts or maraschino cherries. Remember, this recipe is just a starting point. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients like shredded coconut or other types of nuts. You can serve the Watergate salad as a dessert or a sweet side dish. It's a versatile delight that's perfect for any occasion. As you enjoy this delicious trip down memory lane, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me continue to bring you more delicious recipes. Enjoy your Watergate salad.